boy, am I happy that I got to go ice fishing this year for the first time because they're already packing up.
I know that window can close pretty quickly with how interesting Wisconsin February can be.
Yeah, no, I know. It's warming up now, and apparently we have this warm streak for a good amount of time, Greg.
Yeah, we still got the warm spell going on too, and that especially on river ice has pretty much melted away pretty quick. We're actually starting to see a little bit of rise in the rivers. Inland lakes take a little bit longer, given that we have quite a bit of ice to go through, but it is starting to kind of shrink away as the sun is going to be up more. But we still got some rain in the picture for your morning commute. We even have an outside chance of seeing maybe an afternoon shower with the line coming through, but most of the morning will be kind of wet. We'll have more clouds going on. We even have another weak system coming, flurries and sprinkles late Wednesday night. This will be a little colder, may continue into Thursday morning, but light precipitation with that one too, even lighter than what we'll see for tomorrow morning. Bigger story Thursday is the breezy conditions, that northwest wind, and then Friday we're going to turn those winds around as a very strong system but dry system comes through. Windy conditions, southwest turning all the way to northwest, so that'll be the big story on Friday. Maybe see some wind headlines coming with that one. But overall, tomorrow's highs cooler than what we saw for Tuesday, but it's still above average. We should be upper 30s, near 40, so that's a good point. We'll still have the precipitation in the morning, a little bit of sun potentially in the afternoon hour. Here's all the precipitation, and really tonight it's some areas up to the north of La Crosse to Eau Claire's already seen some. The bigger story is going to be south of La Crosse, with one area developing tonight coming through early, and then towards the morning commute we could see another development of really steady rain or even a potential thunderstorm with that coming through the morning commute. So southwest Wisconsin, especially Crawford over to Richland County, that could be an area that could pick up more substantial rainfall with that. Otherwise, for the morning commute, still light precipitation. Looks like right now most should be rain. Once we get further in the morning, you might see an outside shot. Some of these areas kind of mix, but roads should remain wet given that the temperatures will be at or above freezing. By the time we get late morning, there'll be a few showers remaining south and east of La Crosse, but I think most areas will start seeing a little bit break in the cloud cover towards the afternoon. It may take a little bit longer to get the sun out there as that winds begin to turn around. And I think by the evening hour, it should be fairly quiet, but look at here, right here, there's a little bit of a line that develops potentially of a little bit of showers right there that could impact the evening commute. We'll keep an eye on a very narrow line of showers coming through with a weak disturbance, something to keep in mind. Otherwise, it should be fairly quiet. The next story we're looking at is that precipitation coming with the vent. But here's the amounts that we expect for through noon. Most of that is to the south. Other areas up to the north may see a trace to a tenth. But keep an eye out there. It could be an area that has maybe up to a ½ inch south of La Crosse. That next system I mentioned, Thursday morning, we might see a little brief showers come through, snow showers that could impact the morning commute. Won't amount to too much. The bigger story Thursday will be that wind that comes behind it, and that could be fairly gusty as we go throughout. There's your winds potential for Thursday. Could be up to 20 miles per hour sustained with higher gust. Gets even stronger as we go into Friday with the winds turning around to the south, but the temperatures get up to 50. Cool down Saturday, and then we kind of come back up with the next messy situation, I think, coming probably Tuesday into Wednesday. More to come later.
All right. Thank you, Greg.